What's up guys, it's your boy Zeus. Welcome to another video. So today I was blessed by mad-designs.net. I ordered the dash cover from them. It took about 4 weeks for it to get here. Finally arrived and I'm about to install it today. What my dash currently looks like right now. Right now I have this, I don't even know what to call it, this like fur mesh cover on top of my dash. I originally bought my car in Florida, so it has a bunch of sun cracks all over the vinyl of the dash, which is pretty common for the G35s. I'm gonna rip this off and I'll show you guys what it really looks like. So this is what my dash looks like without that mesh cover on it. Like I said, it's pretty cracked up. You see this big one going across right here, and it's actually ripped, torn all the way across here. I could probably peel all of that. I was looking at some alternatives to doing this. I was gonna actually sand all of this off and do one of those powder microfiber or one of those powdered fiber coats that you can do, but I don't think I have the capabilities to do it myself. But as you guys can see, it's actually pretty bad and it goes all the way around. Like I said, this car was originally bought in Florida, so sitting inside that Florida heat, the first owner who had this thing, it was actually garage kept, but you know, it's inevitable out there with all the salt, the humidity in the air, and then the heat on top of that, just baking the dash, it's just likely to go bad. I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like. I'm gonna throw it on my hood and show you guys the entire thing, and then I'm gonna install it and let you guys know what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, so this is what the kit looks like as it comes in the box. You have the actual dash cover, and you can buy an option to get the steering column cover, as well as a business card, a sticker, and 2 alcohol wipes to clean off the dashboard to install everything. So you guys can see they have this orange sticker tape. This is to let you know where it's going to actually stick onto the dash itself. After that, you just have to lay down the entire thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get this install done. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after. All the cleaning and prep work is done. Still a little bit of adhesive, or a little bit of marks left over from that adhesive. This thing's been on it for years. Yeah, dash goes on next. Alright guys, this is what the dash looks like with it just laid down. I did do a little bit of adhesive work. I put some tape underneath this lip here, just because it just wouldn't sit down by itself. I'm not sure if the manufacturer states that it'll sit down with heat, or whether or not you need to double side tape it. They do have those points that you have to double side tape, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some double side tape and do a little bit more work on it myself. So this is without the steering column on. As you can see, it matches pretty well with it. I'm still gonna put the steering column on. Eventually I'm gonna go carbon fiber on this, but for right now, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the final product. This is with the steering column cover on. It's actually stitched pretty well. It just adheres on each corner. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit more adhesive work just to make everything look a little bit cleaner. But yeah, this is what it looks like. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like today's content, please give this video a like, and if you want to be updated on more projects to come, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share with your friends, and peace.